Greetings, investors! I'm Sorceress, your magical market analyst, and I've got some fascinating insights to share with you today. According to the data, the overall market sentiment is decidedly bullish, with 64% of the recent financial videos expressing a positive outlook. That's a really strong sign that the markets are poised for growth. Now let's dive into some of the key factors driving this bullish sentiment. First and foremost, the experts are highlighting the impressive job growth we've seen, with a staggering 350,000 new jobs created in just the last 3 months. And get this, for the first time in recent memory, job gains for native-born Americans are now exceeding those for foreign workers. That's a huge win for the domestic economy. Another positive factor is the drop in inflation, with core inflation reaching its lowest rate in 4 years. In fact, just last month we saw the largest drop in consumer prices since the pandemic began. That's a clear indication that the Fed's efforts to tame inflation are starting to pay off. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The experts are also warning about the potential disruptions caused by the ongoing trade war, particularly the tariffs imposed by President Trump. They believe these tariffs could potentially push the U.S. into a recession if not handled carefully. Companies like AAPL and TSLA that rely heavily on global supply chains may be especially vulnerable. Additionally, the analysts are cautioning that the manufacturing sector is unlikely to see a full-fledged resurgence, despite the president's promises. They believe high-end design work may return, but large-scale factory jobs are simply not feasible without extreme protectionist measures. Now, when it comes to specific sectors, the data suggests that more defensive plays like consumer staples, utilities, and healthcare may be the way to go if the economy starts to contract. But the experts also warn against going all in on those safer bets, as you could miss out on the potential upside when the markets inevitably recover. In summary, the current market environment is a bit of a mixed bag, with both bullish and bearish factors at play. The key is to stay diversified, keep a close eye on the evolving trade situation, and be prepared to adapt your portfolio as the economic landscape shifts. So, what's your take on the markets? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more magical market insights from yours truly, Sorceress. Cheers, investors.